Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I want to first say hello to all my new babes that have been coming in and supporting. I've been seeing you guys. I noticed you guys and I just want to say hello. Thank you. Welcome to the channel. I am NESHA for those who are new, and for those who already been here, what it do, baby boo. It is March 1st, y'all. So happy March 1st. This is the birthday month for all of my remaining Pisces and of course my Aries. I think it's the next sign. I hope so, because that's what I said throughout the tutorial. So happy birthday to you guys in advance. I got some looks coming for my Pisces and my Aries, so be on the lookout. So this one of course is for you guys, and of course for anybody else who want to recreate this look. But I am using the March Birthstone palette. Yes, the Aquamarine by BH Cosmetics. Yay! I'm so excited for this look, you guys. It's actually going to be a recreation of an older look that I did when this first came out, but I had to redo it, and that's because my eyebrows and everything else about my face was not giving anything, and I just wanted to recreate it. So that is on private right now. Actually, I think I deleted it. Yeah, I think I did. But anywho, I will show you guys what I'm talking about through the tutorial, so be sure to check that out. But if you guys like what you see right about now, then of course keep on it. So this is a birthday celebration for all of my Pisces, my March Pisces, and of course my March Aries zodiac signs. I hope you guys are going to be here for this look. I actually already tried this palette before. When this first came out, I did 2 looks. Don't worry, they're on private. We're going to recreate 2 of those looks as well, and I plan on doing a total of 4 looks using this palette because I feel like I'm cheating because I already did 2 looks and I'm just recreating those looks. And the reason why they're on private, y'all wrong for not telling me about my eyebrows back in 2021. Yeah, I'm gonna flash out. Yeah, so that's what we're recreating. And look at them eyebrows, y'all. My eyebrows was boxy, like hammer time, thick than a Snicker, and I have a lot of videos like that for about 2 years, and honestly they're all secretly probably are going to go on private because of the embarrassment of the eyebrows. Yeah, I don't know what happened because I did good, and then I don't know why boxy came in. I think it's because I wasn't arching my eyebrows or what. I don't know what it was like, but y'all wrong for not telling me that my eyebrows was looking like that. So that is the main reason why those are on private. And of course wigs installments were not looking so well. Wig was way back here. I'm over here. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. No. So I've upgraded, okay? So I definitely just got them on private and just want to redo them, and they probably want to look a little bit better anyway because of the quality. Well, no, the quality should be the same, but my skills is better. Okay, so anywho, I'm just rambling because I know how to slay a face now. I didn't know how to slay a face back then, but now it's snatch all day, every day. But anywho, y'all, we are about to get into this look palette. This is what the palette looks like. So I'm so excited. So let's get into this look already. Zoom in. All right, so with that look, I kind of cheated and used another palette to get that brown in my crease, and that's because I felt like I didn't know how to work with this brown that was in here. So I'm not going to cheat, and I'm going to only use this palette. So of course the first thing I'm going to jump into is called Big Heart, which is this red brick brown color, and we're going to pop that right in my crease. I honestly don't know why I was intimidated by this brown. I think in the video I was like, yeah, like they should have put another brown in here, which I still feel like they could have, but I don't know why I felt like I could not do anything with this brown color. Like, see, back then I was like, I don't want to say the beginning stage of like mixing different shades and stuff together, but I was still on that baby stage of learning makeup. So now that I feel like I've kind of like got it, I can do a little bit better and challenge myself to do different eyeshadow looks and different formulas and different, you know, color story when it comes to the eyes. So yeah, definitely used to be intimidated in a sense, like, oh my gosh, like I'm not gonna wear this look outside my house. Now whatever look I put on my eyes, if I got somewhere to go, she's not afraid to go outside to show off her work of art. Like, I honestly like it when I have like a good colorful eyes on my eyelids when I'm out in public, because you know, of course I get the attention. I get like, oh my gosh, like you look so beautiful. Like what they really want to say, and they be trying to bite their tongue, because some of them have said it before, like, oh my gosh, your color's so rich and beautiful, like you're wearing like bright colors on the eyes. So what they really want to say is like, oh my gosh, you're a black girl wearing color. Like I didn't think color makeup could look good on a black girl. And it'd be all racist saying this. Like this is not just, you know, non-black people saying this, like it'd be everybody. I'm like, yeah, we can wear anything, okay? Like what gave y'all the impression that we couldn't? Exactly. It's like, what the heck, who told y'all? All right, so to help blend this out, I don't think it's gonna be much of a difference, but I'm gonna do it anyway. So we're gonna go in with, was this Secretive? Yeah, so we're gonna go in with this shade right here. And let's see if it does. Oh no, this is not gonna do anything. So how I'm gonna remix this, I'm gonna take the two colors together and like create a different like shade. And that's just to help blend out this color. Of course, I lost a lot of that Big Heart eyeshadow color, so I'm just gonna go ahead and reapply her. And this time I think I'm gonna go a little bit higher now that I have the realization that that other shade is not gonna do much for me on its own. So yeah, blending wise, it's not a good shade for me, but it is help softening up the shade. Y'all see the difference? Yeah, okay. But it would look even more beautiful if I was to apply this on my eyelid without using like the sweeping motions to make this eyeshadow a lot more lighter. So I am going to try this on my lid because I think I can imitate a neutral look using this palette. Yeah, believe it or not, I think I can, and I think I'm going to try that probably next week, because I'm trying to have more content related that's not Zodiac and birthday theme related. So I know y'all waiting for them other palettes, and they will be probably dropping next week. Yeah, next week. But yeah, that looks really good. Okay, see, NESHA back then would not been able to do this. So there's not much more I can really do for my crease price, because it's not really like that many deep shades in here. I mean, besides this shimmery blue, but I don't want no blue in my crease. So I'm gonna cut my crease off camera, and then I'll be back to put some more colors on the lid. All right, so my crease is cut, so I'm gonna put on the eyelid. I'm gonna start off with Daydreamer. And I'm gonna put this in the outer, well, center and outer part of the actual eyelid. Alright, now for the inner part, I am going to go with the actual birthstone color, which is Aquamarine. And I am going to apply the shade a little wet with some setting spray. And then I'm going to pop it right in the remaining part of the actual cut crease. Alright, so now I'm going to go back in with Big Heart, that red shade, and just pop that in the remaining part of the outer. And then that's pretty much it for the actual eyelid for now, until I get to like the bottom part of my lash line. So I'm just going to do my liner and everything real quick, and of course my face. And I'll be right back. But before I finish up my eyes, I'm just going to move on to my lips. Going in with my NYX pencil that's left of it. So this is in the shade Sand, and this is by Dose of Colors. I think this is going to be like a really pale color. It's my first time trying this. So while that's drying, now I'm going to finish up the eyes. I'm just going to go in with that red shade for the bottom lash line. Alright, for my inner tear duct, I'm going to go in with some glitter glue. And we're going in with that glitter. Then I'm going to take a little bit of Aquamarine and put it right on top. Alright, so the last thing I'm going to do is go ahead and add some gloss. She looks really pretty, but it's too pale looking, so I'm going to add a little bit of gloss. That makes it look a lot better. See, look, like a whole different lip. So this is the complete and final look. I hope you guys like her. I need to zoom out just a little bit. Definitely a very pretty blue vibe going on. So I hope you guys like this new version of the look. Given this blue is everything. Yes, love this blue. And again, I don't know why I was so intimidated by this brown back in 21, but definitely the recreation of this look looks a lot better. A lot. And my eyebrows don't look boxy. So anywho, I hope you guys enjoyed today's makeup tutorial. Really quick on the face, I am doing a product review. I'm not gonna tell you what it is, so y'all gonna have to wait and see. So I'm gonna give you a little bit of the details what's on my face. For my foundation today, I have on the e.l.f. and of course Urban Decay for all over. For concealer wise, I have on the e.l.f. Rich Ebony to contour with, and then for underneath my eyes, I do have on the Urban Decay Quickie Concealer. And this is in the shade 70 WR. And then for underneath my eyes, I'm using two powders. I'm kind of liking this new method. I liked the banana powder, like the shade of it on its own, but I think I like it a little bit more tamed down. So I'm going in with the DERMABLEND for underneath the eyes, and then I also go in with the Beauty Bakerie for underneath. So I'll go with this first and then put this right on top. And then for the rest of my face, I went in with my BLACKRADIANCE for all over the face. And then of course I contour with my Makeup Revolution palette. This is the one that's collaborated with Tammy. I use both of those shades to contour with. And then for my blush, I have on Neo, yes. And then the highlighter I have on this one. And I think that's pretty much it. If I forgot to mention anything, I'll be sure to list whatever I put on my face down in the description box. But for the product review, I did do this full face on camera, so if I forget, I will have that video probably coming up sometime next week or whatever. But anywho, thank you guys so much for watching. And again, happy birthday to my Pisces and my Aries babes. You guys are absolutely beautiful, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's makeup look. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.